Hello everybody, I have something very exciting to share with you today. We're in the Aqua Towers building in downtown Long Beach on Ocean Boulevard, and I have a gorgeous penthouse condo over 1,900 square feet on 2 levels. It's got 2 master suites, 1 on each floor, and a private garage. This is all in the Aqua Towers building, which is a full amenity resort-like building with pool, fitness center, 24-hour concierge, and much more. Check this property out. We'd love to see you here.